There he is. Okay. Okay, now talk to me about what you got here.
Okay, the question we had was which element has the largest mass out of 4 choices?
Okay.
And the answer was lead.
Okay, lead has the most mass. Now, how did you know this?
We looked on the periodic table.
And in what part of the periodic table was telling you this?
The mass?
The mass, yes.
Okay, and our second question was which element has the bigger radius?
Oh, okay. And of the elements, which one has the biggest radius? And it looks like, according to your drawing here, that cesium, and you've spelled it really creatively, and you have fancy colors.
Okay.
And cesium is right there, and as you get further to this side of the periodic table, right there, the bigger the atomic radius is. And you did a fancy job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What did you do?
I helped color.
She helped color. She used her skills in coloring. That's and he used his copying skills to copy. I don't know what to think about this guy. He must be nervous. He's playing with his pencil. Why are you nervous to talk to a pair of scissors? I mean, really, we're pretty unintimidating. So tell me, what do you have written down here?
Which of the 3 parts of the atom forms the nucleus? And we got protons and the neutrons.
Okay, so protons. How did you know this?
Because I looked in my black book.
Oh, he has a black book. That's really hot. You know, Paris Hilton would be proud. Paris Hilton would come in here and go, "Oh, look at the black book. It's so hot." No, really. And maybe you'd have a shot with her because you had a black book and she would dig that. I'm not on the record with this. I'm just saying it's possible. Yeah, I guess. Look at the fingers point at who did nothing. She did nothing. He did nothing.
I did. Is that semi right?
Okay, look, we have to do this here.
Can you make him
Your face is pink.
Sure enough, look at it. It's like a rose petal. The lumberjack decided that he didn't want to do it either. And what are you chewing on? Hopefully it's a fingernail or something, because I'd hate to see if that was actually gum. Look, now he starts chewing on his fingernail. That's slick, Haas. That's very, very slick. You should be like a secret agent or something. You're so smooth. Okay, the lumberjack refuses to talk. Pinky refuses to talk. That's right, Cotter. Lumberjack is a visitor. Okay, somebody pick it up.
Rachel, just do it.
Okay, what do we got here? Number 10, it says, compared to the electron cloud, how big is the nucleus, and what did you find? Eloquent. Very eloquent. And she says that, I don't know, there's like circles and stuff, and the circles. Do you have Tourette's? No, seriously, or some kind of crazy disorder that keeps you from staying still?
Yeah.
Hey, how big is the nucleus compared to the electrons?
Big.
Holy smokes, y'all are in big trouble, aren't you? Anybody want to field that one?
Small.
The nucleus is what? Nick Berg, what? It's small. So the electron cloud is very large, correct?
Yeah.
Whoa, is your voice on helium? Wow. It's just, puberty hits late for some people, I guess. Wow, that's quite the party trick. Now we're moving on with the thing here, looking at questions 11 and 12. And we have these two people here. One of them, I think, is part gopher because she's dug herself into a hole down here and has not left. A finger painting gopher because her fingers are pink from highlighter that she decided to finger paint all over the study guide, which was just sheer genius, I'm sure. Your parents must be very proud of you. All right, now let's see. The molar mass of manganese. Who did that one?
I do.
Oh, yes, in the back. Hey, I know this guy. All right, tell me about it.
The molar mass for manganese is 55.
Okay, for number 11, he says 54.9, but obviously he's rounded. So So he said 55. And where did you get this information?
I found it on the periodic table where it says the mass.
Yeah, that's usually a good clue. You know, if the question asks for mass, look for where it says mass. Okay, that's a good idea. Now, who's doing iodine? Oh, it's the finger painting girl. Okay, finger painting girl. What do you have?
For iodine, I have 126.9 grams per mole.
126. And did you not make a poster, finger painting girl? Oh, she did. But oddly enough, it is lacking in color and spontaneity because she used it all up on her study guide. So that is the mass of the. And where did you find the mass of iodine, finger painting girl? You did what?
On the super table.
Ah, the super table. That's wonderful. Nicely done. Hey there, big boy. You're looking pretty fine. Do you want to go out and maybe, I don't know, hang out and ball for some ladies or something? I don't know. She's laughing in the background, but she wishes she has my kind of guts to go up and talk to this guy, even if it was just on a binder. All right. Who's got this stuff? Oh, she does. Okay. So talk to me. Tell me about some noble gases.
One of the noble gases is argon, and another one is
I think it's argon.
Yeah, that's
Aragorn is that dude from Lord of the Rings, or something. Okay, now what's the other one?
I forgot.
Oh, that's spelled Neon. It's read by neon, and it makes things light up. Hey, look, they have something on the monitor there. Look, it's neon, and it's a gas, and it's got nifty things on there about complicated stuff, melting points and whatnot. Evidently, it's pretty cool. Okay, nicely done for finding noble gases. That was good. All right, we'll talk to you later there, big guy. Yes, cap the water because your clumsy self is going to knock it over and get your poster wet. What's going on here? What questions did you do?
We had number 9 and 10. What is the atomic symbol for zinc?
Okay, atomic symbol for zinc is...
ZN.
There it is! Spoken from this guy who plays with shoe glue, and I don't know why. Zinc, you guys are looking surprisingly... Zinc, okay, and what is this SB stuff right there? What is that?
That's the atomic symbol for antimony.
Antimony! That's like antimony, money. What, you don't get it? That's a Billy Idol song. Oh, never mind. You guys are too young. You weren't even. Never mind. I'm gonna move away from that question right there. This guy, his hair. What? How do you achieve that? It's like I put my hat on and then I turn on the blow dryer, and it flips out. It's like wings of hair. And this guy just laughs all the time. Oh my gosh, I should get away from that mouth. He's going to eat me. Okay, all right, what do you have? What is the atomic number of tungsten? Okay, so, Mr. Hair, what is it?
74.
And where did you get that?